My name is Tom Campagna. I went into the service July '66.
I was in the Air Force from 1966 to 70.
I served in Vietnam in 1970 and 1971.
In Vietnam from 66 to 67.
November of 67 through December of 68 will probably be known as the Great Tet Offensive.
I've been coming here for about 5 or 6 years.
This is my sixth time.
This is about my fourth. I look forward to it, and it's just a great event. Very nice. Really nice. Makes me feel good to come here.
Thank you very much for being here today and for all of your service to our country. And the kids are so very, very excited to have you here. And they've been working very hard. A presentation like this takes a long time to put together. Our 13th year. I think it's a really important ceremony for the veterans, because we want to be able to say to them how much we appreciate their sacrifice for our country, and also along with their families for the sacrifice that they gave so that we might be free as a country. It's also very important to teach the children, to instill in the children the importance of recognizing and understanding the sacrifices that these men and women have gone through so that we might be free and live in such a great country that we do. I think this presentation is a testament to the backing of our staff and the parents. It couldn't be possible without them. It's just such a success and such a meaningful ceremony because of the staff input, because of the parent input, because of the veteran input, and most importantly, the children's input.
But I just want to say one thing. I've been coming here for about 5 years, and I just want to thank Mr. Smith and his staff. When you walk through his doors and you see all those American flags flying, it sends chills through your heart. And when we come back from Vietnam, we never had anything like this. So we really appreciate it. Thank you guys.